Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. So today we will be understanding about the drainage system. The term drainage refers to the water system or the water bodies present in the physical region of India. So let's start with it. So Indian drainage system constitutes of two major river systems. First one is the Himalayan river system and the second one is the Peninsular river system. So the Himalayan river system is the one which has water available and flowing through it 12 months for the total period of 12 months. The reason behind that is it's the glacier in the Himalayas which is providing continuous supply of water to these rivers. So the rivers you are seeing in the, I should say, the northern part of the country, these all rivers are part of the Himalayan river system, right? On the other hand, the Peninsular river system, these are the rivers which are situated in the central or the southern part of the country. So these rivers like Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, these all are Peninsular river system. And these river systems are non-seasonal, I should say. The reason behind that is they are much more dependent on the rain for receiving the water for their flow. And in some times when there is drought, some of these rivers also gets dried up. Moving ahead, let's deep dive into the Himalayan river system. So the Himalayan river system constitutes of three river systems, naming the Indus river system, the Ganga river system and the Brahmaputra river system. So let's understand what does the term river system means. So suppose let's take an example with Indus river system. So Indus, being the longest and the biggest river, takes the name of that system, and in this system it includes certain distributaries or sub rivers like Satluj, Ravi, Beas, Chenab, which flow in different geographic areas, but at the end they constitute their water into the Indus river before going towards the Arabian Sea. Let's understand it from the map, what I'm trying to say. So you see here, so it's the river Indus originating from Kailash, moving through all the way Jammu and Kashmir, Leh, Ladakh and in the Pakistan before going into the Arabian Sea. So you see here, we have Shyok river, we have Chenab, we have Ravi, we have Jhelum, we have Beas, we have Satluj. All these rivers are originating in different geographic locations and they are moving into the Pakistan area. And finally, on this point, these all rivers are coming all together and meeting with the Indus. Since Indus was the biggest one with the volume of water it carries, the area, the depth it has, so this river system got its name to be Indus river system. The other two river systems are the Ganga river system, as it can be seen from here. So all these rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Ganga, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Son, Betwa, Chambal, these all rivers are getting their water flowing through and merging with the Ganga river. And the name of this river system is Ganga river system based on the same logic that it is the widest one, the deepest one, and it contains the highest amount of water in it. And they go and meet the Bay of Bengal in the delta region of Sundarbans. Let me write it for you. Sundarbans. So the Ganga river system comes and meet there. The third one is the Brahmaputra. It's basically this part of the country. Basically it flows through only two states, namely Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, before moving inside the Bangladesh and merging with the Ganga. So these are the three river systems which we are having. Moving ahead, we have the Peninsular river system. It constitutes of 6 river systems, namely Godavari river system, Narmada river system, Tapi river system, Mahanadi, Krishna and Kaveri river system. Let's understand it from the map. So as it visible here, that this is Godavari, right? It is getting water from Venganga, Penganga, R Godavari, Mango, and everyone is constituting over here, merging all together, giving Godavari the biggest size, the deepest water volume, and before meeting the sea in the Bay of Bengal. So this was the Godavari river system. This whole system is for the Krishna. This is for Kaveri, and this is for Mahanadi. An interesting fact which I would like to share with you guys here is, in the Indian subcontinent or in India, there are only two rivers which meets the Arabian Sea. Like, they have the flow towards the western direction. Otherwise, every single major river flowing on the Indian land has their direction of movement on the eastern side, and those two rivers are Narmada and Tapti. These two are the ones which originate from central India, flows through the western parts before meeting the Arabian Sea in the western direction. Moving ahead, we are having lakes which are also part of the drainage system. So there are two types of lakes we have. First one is freshwater lakes, the other one is lagoon lakes, or we can say not freshwater lakes. Let's understand from the map. So the freshwater lakes, what does that mean? It means that the water which is in these lakes is fit for consumption. It has low salt quantity, and it is having the resources from the natural, like rains, glaciers, natural source points. Okay, so let's understand what are the major freshwater lakes, because there are many, but we should know the main ones, which includes Vular Lake in the Union Territory of Jammu Kashmir. This is the India's biggest freshwater lakes. Okay. After that, we come to the state of Uttarakhand. We here have Naini Lake in Nainital. Bhimtal, to name a few. The second one, the lagoon lakes or the non-freshwater lakes. The reason behind these being called these names is they are on the coastal sides of our country, and they get their majority of water from the sea, which means they have higher salt percentage, which makes them not much feasible for consumption. Some of the major lakes are the Chilka Lake in the state of Odisha, the Kolleru Lake in the state of Arunachal, the Pulicat Lake in Tamil Nadu region, the Baymand Lake in the state of Kerala, and the term lagoon which I used is also for the backwaters which we find in the state of Kerala. The backwater means when the water level of Arabian Sea rises due to tidal activities, it flows into the lands, and it gets locked in there, and the water body which is formed over there, they are called lagoons. So that's why I also named these, not me, it is called non-freshwater lakes are also called lagoons. So that was all about drainage. I hope you would have enjoyed the class, and you must have learned new things. See you soon. Until then, keep hustling, keep learning. Cheers.